Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Cupid Gurus, where we're all about empowering you in matters of the heart. Today, we've got a fascinating topic for you: how to attract a guy without saying a word. It's all about the art of non-verbal communication, so stay tuned for some exciting insights. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. They say actions speak louder than words, and that's especially true when it comes to attraction. Non-verbal cues can be incredibly powerful in conveying your interest in someone without uttering a single sentence. First things first, confidence is your secret weapon. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and move with purpose. Confidence is irresistibly attractive. A genuine smile can light up a room and warm anyone's heart. Flash those pearly whites and you'll instantly become more approachable. Locking eyes with someone can create an electrifying connection. Don't be afraid to hold his gaze for a moment longer than usual, but be sure to do it with a playful and friendly dynamo. Your body language says a lot about your interest. Playfully twirl with your hair, subtly touch your neck or collarbone, or lean in slightly when he's talking. These gestures can be very inciting. Dressing well and feeling confident in your outfit can make you a significant impact. Choose clothing that highlights your best features and makes you feel amazing. Lastly, remember to be approachable. Don't bury your nose in your phone or appear disinterested. Be open to conversation and he'll be more likely to take the first step. If you found the advice in this video helpful and valuable, make sure to hit that like button right now. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss out on any more valuable relationship tips. Get hot matches and more dates with help from Cupid Gurus. If you're ready to take your dating life to the next level, then visit the website to book a dating coach today.